Hello, Nisco Beyblade here, and today I'm doing an unboxing video of Artemis A5 and Dusk Bushke. Butchering the name. Please don't comment. I know I'm butchering it. But yeah, a B5. So let's get in the back. There we go. Left spin defense type D48. And that's basically 7. And TH16. And it spins right. And this is for Artemis. D74 and TH01. And yep. I got this today after work. And also stay tuned for another unboxing. There's going to be a whole bunch of unboxings here for this channel. Okay, another nice red color. Oh, another one of these guys. I like this one a lot. Here's the code. Goddamn, my phone's going off. Jeez. Ow. Oh, wow. Wow, Hasbro. Shit. Horrible. Shit. This is the QR code. But this can't happen anymore, Hasbro. Goddamn. I don't usually chill out at Hasbro, because I was raised with Hasbro. And same with this. Chipping it out. Nothing. At all. Worthless. No, I miss this. It is true. I'm pissed off at Hasbro now. Definitely. Even though I was raised with Hasbro all my life, so. Here's 7. Another 7. Original disc. Other thing. And here's the driver. Now the 2 new sets I got, the 2 new dual packs. This one's one of the worst. So yeah, let's put these guys together, this shit together, and yeah. Oh god. Goddamn. Ugh. It's funny, you guys are seeing this on the other side of the camera. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.